Today we're testing the level 4 standalone plate manufactured by NC Star under the brand name Vism. This plate has a unique structure consisting of a hybrid ceramic and ultra high molecular weight polyethylene structure, and only 5.5 pounds per plate. It is lighter than every other competitor in its class. It is almost identical in weight to military ESAPI level 4 plates and provides equivalent protection without needing any level 3A interceptor backing. Unfortunately, these plates are not currently NIJ certified for level 4 protection. That is what we're going to test today. The National Institute of Justice standard for level 4 protection is a 163-165 grain 30 caliber M2 AP bullet like the ones we have here, traveling at around 2880 feet per second with a margin of error above or minus 30 feet per second. These plates run around $220 per plate, so if they do work, it's a fantastic value for what you get. And there are plates that are cheaper, however they weigh significantly more. So we have 30 caliber M2 AP rounds fired from a 30-06 loaded to 2880 feet per second. We're going to shoot the plate with a soft backing to see whether or not the plate's rating holds up. We also need to thank the supplier of these bullets. We sent an email over to Sean at Combat Disabled Veterans Surplus asking to purchase a few of these rounds for our test. And here we needed the rounds for, and he sent them to us free of charge. He really made this review a lot easier for us. So if you're looking for any other AP bullets like these, or any other reloading or surplus items, go ahead and check out the link in the description.
Okay, so we have some M2 AP here.
On the 2886. It's smoking. It stopped. It bulged a little bit more than the other one.
That was the first hit that we
There's no penetration.
didn't get a reading on.
The seam started to separate right there, but it did not bust through. There's a lot of, I wouldn't breathe that in. But this stopped too. M2 AP rounds.
Damn.
Here we are at the conclusion of the Vism level 4 test. Our first shot was up here. It did not penetrate. However, we did not actually have the chronograph reading correctly at the time.
Velocity.
Error. We did shoot it a second time, which is this lower shot you see here. We have significant backface deformation, and because of that, this might not meet NIJ standards for level 4 protection. However, it did not penetrate. Even with the backface deformation, we do have some separation of the plate, but there is no spalling. The edges are perfectly intact all the way around the plate. I mean, you can kind of see how significant that deformation is on our second shot that I've reported velocity of 2886 feet per second. So all in all, a very impressive performance by a super lightweight plate that comes in at $220 per plate. So really, there's not much better this could have done. So